to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Diana Quintos. I do makeup, I do hair, and you'll get a whole lot of that plus a little extra sass mixed in there. Today we are going to be talking about the Makeup by Mario class, the master class. I was so lucky to attend, and also a little opening of all the goodies that I got at his class. And yeah, let's get started. Just had the best time. I learned so much. I feel like I appreciate him a lot more, and his work that he does, and just seeing how he does everything. I don't know, I had this idea in my head of what he was gonna do and how he was gonna do it, and then he did something completely different, and it kind of was like, wow, like it made me take a step back. He's this guy who has access to every single line, every single makeup product, but stays true to what it means to be a makeup artist, and is really old school in that sense. And the products that he picks are like makeup artist brands, not just consumer brands. So I really appreciated that. I feel like his artistry just shined through, and it was really amazing. So to start, you have to line up pretty early. I got there a little late, so I didn't get the best seat, but everybody got a good view of the stage anyway, so it's not anything that was too bad. I just wish I was like a little bit closer down to the like the end of the balcony. The event was held at the Ace Hotel, the theater that's connected to it, and the venue is absolutely beautiful. If you've never been, it's gorgeous. Just the detailing on the walls, the whole place was just beautiful. To start off, you walk in after you register, you get a little wristband, and then you get a notebook which says the master class, and a pen that says the same thing as well. In here you're able to like take notes. I have like pages, oh, not the first page, but I have pages and pages of notes of just everything that I learned and all the products that he used on her face. His model was Kim Kardashian, which I'm sure you guys have seen. I was worried that he was just going to use the KKW line, but he might have used like one thing from the line, but that's about it. And one thing I really love that he said in the class was that he's not just going to use her line because it's her or because it's his friend. He's going to use what he's tried and tested, and it made me like really be like, damn, I really respect this, you know. Anastasia Soiree did Kim's brows. Everybody was kind of open to being able to ask them questions. You just had to be loud and yell it out. There was some really good questions in there, like people were asking about, what do you do for people with older, more mature skin, or what do you do for like situations? But it was kind of annoying because the model was Kim. People were asking a lot about her personal life, what's her skincare regimen, and whatever. When really we came to see him. Yeah, seeing her is a perk, but we came to see him. At least the people who were there who wanted to learn. There were a couple people that I talked to that felt kind of the same way. I'm not there to fangirl over her, you know. I am there to see his work and how he does, you know, his really amazing techniques. So that was annoying, like the dumb questions that he was getting, and I could tell that he kind of got annoyed too. Like at one point they asked him, what would you do if somebody had like their nose done to correct whatever needs scarring? And she was like, I have never got my nose done, and you know, all that. It's like, we're asking a real question. It's not it's not about her in that moment, you know. Yeah, it was like a lot of stuff like that went on. I really would love to like tell you everything that he did, but it's one, so much information. We were there for a long time, and I think that you have to just kind of experience it for yourself. Like there's no way to describe like what you're going to get out of the class I just have so many just like little tricks that I like start. Like if somebody has, you know, really wide set eyes, do this. If somebody has closed set eyes, do this. If somebody's nose is crooked, do this. Like things like that that I got from the class that I think are gonna be really good for when I do makeup on my brides or any event makeup that I do. So I really just like, that was the one thing that I got the most out of everything. Like the ticket that I got was the $500 ticket, which still came with a gift bag. It was like the third from the back. I think it was like platinum and then diamond, or diamond and then platinum, and then gold and then silver. Our gift bags are insane. Like insane. Like this is the bag. I have to like put it to the side. And here I have my certificate of taking the class, which I am probably gonna hang on my wall, like most likely. And then we can just start opening everything up. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think pretty much all of these are full-size product. Powder bronzer from Anastasia. There is a dark brown brow wiz, also from Anastasia. The clear brow gel, love Skindinavia. I use this, it's the makeup finishing spray. I use this on my brides already. You can literally go swimming, like spray your whole makeup and then go swimming and your makeup will not move. This stuff is the shit. Lashes, there are so many lashes. These ones are from Kiss, which you guys know I already like. Another Kiss lashes. These ones are individuals. There's strips. Kiss, these ones are the Lash Couture, which I think are, these ones are a little bit more expensive. And this one has an actual adhesive in it as well. I'm literally just throwing things on the floor because there's nowhere to put it. Away, anti-frizz sheets. So you could just like run it over. Yes. Thanks, Jen, for putting that in there. Another lash from Kiss. Benefit. Their Real Mascara. Dermablend. Powder. I think it's just translucent. Oh, it's illuminating banana powder. It Cosmetics anti-aging matte bronzer. This one has a blush and a highlight also. Milani face and eye palette. Wander Beauty eye mask. These are like the really pretty gold ones. And like if you're doing makeup on somebody, you can put the masks on for like 10 minutes so they get a little bit of extra hydration. DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. I've never tried this, so like the cleansing oils dissolve all your makeup, so I'm sure it's good. I can't wait to try that. Sephora lashes. Sephora makeup wipe. This one's like a, oh, it's like a makeup corrector, like glove. I think you put your finger in it and then just wipe. Grande Cosmetics. It is a lip plumper. I have little lips, so I can always use a lip plumper. MAC Cosmetics Spice. Beautiful color for natural liner. Like, gorgeous. Borghese, a volumizing mascara. Like I said, all of these are full size, so awesome. I love the mascaras because I can put those in my kit. Rodeo. I can't say that. I think it's Rodeo. It's a lip color. I think it is, it's called Melrose Avenue. I think it's a brown, just neutral. Ollie, there's two of these in there, the Ollie. There's a beauty one and a restful sleep. I've taken these before. I don't know why I never rebought them, but I was taking these ones, the Undeniable Beauty. And they have biotin, vitamin C, all that. Foot mask exfoliator. Yes please, for them crispy feet. Kopari deodorant. I've never tried it. It's no aluminum. It's like a really clean line. They carry it at Sephora, I think. So we'll have to try that out. Most of these don't work for me because I sweat way too much. Waldorf Richards. It is a makeup brush cleanser. My coworker actually gave me one of these and they smell Like so good, like lemony, just clean. And it worked really well on my brushes. The only one I could not get clean was my foundation one. And that's because, you know, if you don't clean your foundation one all the time, shit gets caught in there and you're gonna need some Dawn for that. Laura Mercier, which you know is like my favorite. It is a face illuminator. I want to open it up. I'm just like I'm biased. I love Laura Mercier, but they always have really pretty designs on them. Like this one. Like look at the dimension on that. So pretty. Love that. This is the Indiscretion. A Laura Mercier primer, face primer. If you guys don't know, Laura Mercier created the first foundation primer ever and still like the #1 bestseller. It's like the best. So I always run out of this, so I'll be throwing that in my kit. Slip. These are just hair scrunchies. I love these because they don't leave like a little mark when you pull your ponytail out. Morphe. It's a full-size Morphe palette. It's a 35V. I don't have this one, so ooh, I cannot wait to play with these. These ones I don't feel like will show up on me, but these, like the blues, yes. A Laura Mercier caviar stick. You guys know I love these. Also, a Laura Mercier velour matte lipstick, which is again a natural color. But one of my friends had these on and it stayed on her so well. So I cannot wait to play with this. A Karuna face mask. A beauty blender. It's like a mini one. Like not the mini ones. It's like the medium size one. Oh, it's a blush applicator. I have never tried this. I'm curious. Sephora lip color. So I think it's one of their lip stains. Yeah. This is pretty. I feel like this is like my signature lip color. Sally Hansen. It's like a airbrush for your legs, for them pasty white legs, you know. Cargo. Oh my god, I have not used Cargo in so long. This one is an eye pencil and just in black. Hourglass mascara. Like I said, mascaras, I just like throw them all in my kit because I go through them so quickly. A Kiss Lashes adhesive. Milani lipstick. All the colors are actually really similar. Like this one's similar to the Sephora one. This one is a L'Oreal lip one. They like seriously look the same. Like this is a Sephora one. But I guess if you're like giving it to, you know, 1,600 people, neutral is like the best way to go, right? These are some more lashes from Lava Lashes. And then they have a little code on the back. Borghese, an eye sheet mask. I'm down to the bottom now, but it's like the best part. So Tatcha, which is really expensive, gave us two items. This one is the Silk Canvas, the primer, which I hear amazing things about. I've only used it in a sample, and then I was like, nah, too broke to buy it. So now I'm like so excited to have a full-size one and cannot wait to use it. Probably not on myself, mostly my brides. He applied his with a brush, so I'll definitely have to try it with that. And then an exclusive. This hasn't even launched yet. It's the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. He said that this was inspired by him because he loves the skin to look dewy. It's just super hydrating. Again, another one I'll throw in my kit because I feel like I have a lot of brides that are really dry. I rarely get ones that are oily. So it's going to be a perfect addition into my kit. I'll probably use this and my Embryolisse one, kind of exchanging between like however their skin is. But like full size, it's humongous. How cute. And then there's a little spatula on the top to keep things. I can't get it out. Oh, I need to do it the other way. Yeah, so I'm so excited to try this and use it on my brides. I cannot wait to play with all this makeup. Like, it's seriously like too much for one person. Like, there's no way. I'd say if you are somebody who cares about their craft and who wants to learn, it was like a really good $500 well spent. I think that it's important to keep learning, and it's important to keep learning from people who have worked on all different types of skin types. He just knows his stuff. So if you ever get a chance to go, he has another class in London next. If he ever does another one back on the West Coast, I will definitely go again, but I will shell out a little bit more money just to be a tiny bit closer. I wish I was just a tiny bit closer, but I had such a good time. He is such a good instructor and teacher, and the class is something that I will never forget. It was such a good experience, and I hope that I can attend one in the future. And yeah, that's it. Like, I wanted to give you guys my experience, but also kind of just let you experience it for yourself if you can, because it was so awesome. But if you guys have any questions, put them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.